In this video, I will show you how to create a HubSpot workflow. If you want to automate repetitive tasks, send emails, and manage your business processes more efficiently, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. From the left sidebar, click Automation, then select Workflows. Click Create Workflow in the top right corner. Choose whether you want to start from scratch or use a pre-built template. Then select the type of workflow you want to create and click Next. Give your workflow a name. Then set your enrollment triggers by choosing the conditions that will enroll records into the workflow. Once your trigger is configured, click Save. Now click the +++ icon to add actions. You can choose actions such as sending marketing emails, creating tasks, setting property values, delaying actions, or adding branches based on different conditions. Continue adding and arranging actions until your workflow is complete. When you're finished, click Review and Publish in the top right corner. Review your workflow settings, choose whether to enroll only existing records that meet the criteria or future records as well. Then click Turn on Workflow to activate it. Your HubSpot workflow is now ready and will automatically run whenever records meet the enrollment conditions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.